With a whirl of thoughts oppressed, I sunk from reverie to rest. A horrid vision seized my head. I saw the graves give up their dead. Jove armed with terrors burst the skies, and thunder roars and lightning flies. Amazed, confused, its fate unknown, the world stands trembling at his throne. While each pale sinner hung his head, Jove nodding shook the heavens and said, offending race of humankind, by nature reason learning blind. You who through frailty stepped aside, and you who never fell from pride. You who in different sects were shunned and come to see each other down. So some folk told you, but they knew no more of Jove's designs than you. The world's mad business now is o'er, and I resent these pranks no more. I to such blockheads set my wit, I damn such fools, go blow your bit. With a whirl of thoughts oppressed, I sunk from reverie to rest. A horrid vision seized my head. I saw the graves give up their dead. Jove armed with terrors bursts the skies, and thunder roars and lightning flies. Amazed, confused, its fate unknown, the world stands trembling at his throne. While each pale sinner hung his head, Jove nodding shook the heavens and said, offending race of humankind, by nature reason learning blind. You who through frailty stepped aside, and you who never fell from pride. You who in different sects were shunned and come to see each other down.